What I liked from the WeYield Forum was the setting into the small groups where we could discuss the knowledge and the experience of the different participants and of the different companies, so that we could look at the topics from very different angles.
What I would like most is the networking, the experience sharing and the workshops. I think that the idea is great to have small groups with thematic discussions. It helps to take some experience from the others.
The place is great. I mean, having a fantastic view on the Tour of London, that's just unique. A panel discussion which was interesting as well, and to finish, a guest presentation which was very, very interesting and a model for us in terms of digitalization.
The most eye-opening topic for me was the change of mindset. To change the business, you have to change your mindset. To change the results, you have to work on your beliefs and on your thoughts to get different results than what you have done before.
I think the AA and pricing was a very interesting one, as we started the automatic prices for our company, so this is very helpful. I also liked the workshop of the marketing and sales, so this is very interesting because the mindset needs to change.
I liked the one about the brokers and being independent from the brokers. It was good to hear, during many years I fought against the brokers and now I'm working with them quite nicely. But it was good fun to hear from the different attendees their opinion about the brokers. In terms of benefits, I mean, we went from 47 cars in short term to 1,700 today in a year, in 12 months. Without WeYield, that would have not been possible because these cars, 1,700, we have an 80% utilization. I mean, I don't know any company who started and having such increase in 1 year and such utilization. So that's thanks to WeYield.
I think WeYield gives us a huge opportunity to meet other professionals and to be able to open on other markets. So yes, thank you for this opportunity.